X Colors, an up-close series featuring the sharp and stylish font. Bold, edgy, confident. Here's a closer look at our sharp and stylish font built for that street-style vibe. Paired with striking color combos, it's the perfect fit for name tags that make a statement. Pastel Dream, Bubble Pop, Candy Pop, Citrus Pop, Sunset Punch, Primary Power, Sky and Cherry, Cool Twist, Bold Basics, Pastel Bloom, Mint Cloud, Spring Fizz, Tropical Punch, Berry Blast, Candy Rush, Forest Glow, Earth and Leaf, Ocean and Sand, Fire and Ice, Bold Basics 2.0, Classic Pop. Here's sharp and stylish in all 21 color combos, edgy, bold, and street smart. Up next, short and snappy, clean, cool, and quick on style. Stay tuned. Little Waves Creative, where prints pop with a splash of color.